Good morning. Welcome to Fashion Plus. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm looking for some new clothes. I need shirts and jeans.
Of course. What size do you wear?
I wear medium for shirts and size 32 for jeans.
Great. Our men's section is over there. Follow me, please.
Thank you very much.
Are you looking for casual clothes or formal clothes?
I need both. 2 casual shirts and 1 formal shirt, please.
No problem. What colors do you like?
I like blue, white, and black.
Perfect. We have many options. Let me show you. Here are our casual shirts. This blue one is very popular.
It looks nice. Can I try it on?
Yes, of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
Is this shirt 100% cotton?
Yes, it is. It's very comfortable and soft.
How much is it?
It's $25. We have a special offer today. Buy two, get 10% off.
That's good. I'll try this blue one and that white one.
Here you go. Take your time.
Where are the fitting rooms exactly?
Turn right at the end of this aisle. You'll see them.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Yes. What's the matter?
This medium is too small. Do you have large?
Let me check. What color?
The blue one, please.
Here's the large size. How's the white shirt?
The white one fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Great choice. Do you need anything else?
Yes, I still need to see the formal shirts.
I'll show you when you're ready. These are our formal shirts. We have white, light blue, and gray.
I need one for job interviews. Which do you recommend?
White is always professional. This one has a classic fit.
It looks expensive. What's the price?
It's $45, but the quality is excellent.
Do you have anything cheaper?
Yes, this one is $35. It's also very nice.
What's the difference?
The expensive one is Italian cotton. The other is regular cotton.
I'll take the $35 one, please. Now I need to look at jeans.
Follow me to the denim section. What style do you prefer?
I like slim fit, not too tight.
These are our slim fit jeans. What color?
Dark blue or black.
Try these dark blue ones. They're very popular with young people.
Are they stretchy?
Yes, they have 2% elastane. Very comfortable.
Can I try them on?
Of course. You said size 32, right?
Yes, that's correct. These jeans are too long. Do you have shorter ones?
What's your usual length?
I think 30 or 31.
We offer free alterations. We can shorten them for you.
How long does that take?
It usually takes 1 or 2 days.
I need them today.
Let me check. Here's a 32-30 size. Try these.
Perfect. They fit much better. I'll take them.
Excellent choice.
Do you also sell shoes here?
Yes, the shoe section is just over there. What style do you want?
Something casual but smart. I can wear them to work and on weekends.
These loafers are a good option. They're comfortable and look professional.
Do you have them in black?
Yes, here's size 43.
Can I try them on?
Sure, please have a seat.
They're really comfortable. How much are they?
They're $60, but today we have 15% off on all shoes.
Great. I'll take the black loafers.
Do you need any accessories? A belt or a tie, maybe?
Oh, yes. I need a black leather belt for the formal shirt.
Here's one in genuine leather. It's $20.
Looks good. I'll take it.
How about a tie for your job interview?
Yes. Maybe a blue tie?
This navy blue silk tie is $15, and it matches your formal shirt.
Perfect. Add it to my items, please.
Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, thank you.
Let's see. 2 casual shirts, 1 formal shirt, jeans, black loafers, a belt, and a tie.
That's correct.
Your total is $175 after discounts.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please insert your card here.
Thank you.
Here's your receipt. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you for your help today.
Have a great day and good luck with your job interview.
Thanks. Bye.